I want to show you guys this Wybot skimmer I've been using for a while, testing it, and it is doing really good job. It just finished a cleaning session. I took it out from the pool. I just wanted to show you guys how much stuff it collected. Look at those bugs, dead bugs, lantern flies. That's time of the year. The red one here. So lots of disgusting stuff. Thanks to this thing, is able to capture everything, and it's just doing really good job. The only thing I don't like about it, this the lid, the way they design it, I'm not fond of it, honestly. But overall, uh, it just does pretty good job while you are cleaning. So this is the thing I'm talking about. One hand is difficult, but when you use both hands it's fine. So that's how it works, and this is the front of it. That's how it goes. You have plastic rubbers here. Once it goes, you see it has plastic. If it doesn't smash the wall, it just hit on these rubber pieces to slow it down. So that is cool feature. And on the sides, four sides, it has guiding wheels. And from the bottom, let me show you guys these. So you have this deployable, I would say, legs. Let's say you have stairs or tanning lounge that you don't want this to go on. You would just deploy this. You have four of them all side. You can just deploy, and you can also size it just like this, or just extend it fully. I believe this is like 1.5 inch or 2 inch, and that's how it is. And on the top you have this nice large solar panel store, lots of energy during the day, and runs 24/7. So far I haven't had to use the charger to charge it. It just take care of the charging during the day, and it just does pretty good job with the cleaning. And you have an application, you download the application, you can connect with the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and you can remote control this thing. It is pretty fun. My kids like to play with it, with the remote control. It works kind of both. You can do right, left, back and forward, and it has pretty nice speed. Overall it's doing really good job. Let me show you guys the condition of the pool. You can see nothing is on the surface right now. Thanks to this bad boy, we have really nice sun going down, and you can see looks really beautiful. I really like the way this just works, and this is one of the fastest robot I ever try as a skimmer. It has pretty nice speed. Overall works really well. I really like it. I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you for watching.